Row Zero is a secure spreadsheet built for big data. In this video, we'll show how to build connected spreadsheets that automatically update with the latest data. To get started, you'll want to connect to your data source by clicking the data icon in the top right. I've already connected to a number of data sources, but if you need to connect to a new source, click Add Connection, select your connection type, enter your connection details, and hit Test Connection. As long as you get a green light, you're good to go, and you can create your connection. For this video, I'll connect to Snowflake to build out my connected spreadsheet. So I'm going to insert a connected table. I'll select my database and schema, write a simple SQL query, click Run. This is going to query Snowflake for this flights dataset. It's 25 million rows of US flights data over the course of a few years. There's one row for each flight over that time period. The data comes into this connected table, which offers a condensed view of the data, but all the data is here. If I want, I can right click and explode the table into full spreadsheet cells, control down. You'll see I'm on row 25 million. So all the data is here. When I keep it in this connected table, it maintains my connection to Snowflake, so I can come back and rerun for the latest data at any time. I can also schedule auto updates. So let's say I want this to update every day at 5 a.m. I can easily do that, and it's going to update my connected table, and then everything I build on top of that, my pivot tables, charts, formulas, etc., will all be in sync and update automatically. From here, Row Zero works just like Excel and Google Sheets, so I can filter and sort. I can write Excel compatible formulas, and it's the same syntax and functions as Excel and Google Sheets. I'll show a quick pivot table, just right click and select pivot, and I'll drop it right here. And I'm going to look at average flight delay by month. So select month as my date aggregation, and we'll look at average flight delay. And I can quickly format this and start it. Okay, so I've built out a simple analysis here, and now I'm going to show how it will automatically update as I add new data. You can see this data set goes through June of 2025. If I come up and double click on my connected table, normally I would just click Run and it would pull in the latest data on this data set. This is not a live updating data set, so I'm going to change this to be July data and click Run just to demonstrate how the data updates. And you'll see the new data come into my connected table. This will now update through July. My pivot table and my chart will dynamically update with the new data. So you can see it's very easy to build out connected spreadsheets that automatically update with the latest data in Row Zero. You can try Row Zero for free at rowzero.com and see why Row Zero is the best spreadsheet for big data.